All right, now we are doing the dumbbell flat chest press. Now, a few things to take note of to make sure that you are maximizing overall chest development and preventing injury. Number one, you want to make sure, as always, you have a solid foot stance, right? About 45 degrees away from the bench so that you have stability and balance, right? If you keep your feet together and you try to come down on the bench and press, you're going to notice that you're going to be thrown off balance. So make sure that you have that strong stance. Number two, you want to make sure that you have a slight arch in the back, right? A slight arc in the back to make sure, again, that you're optimizing the contraction specifically on the chest muscles. Number three, you want to make sure when you're coming down in the press, just like you're doing any press movement, you want to make sure the elbows are slightly tucked in, right? Not too much, but about 45 degrees away from the body. If you keep them flared out too much, you're going to put a lot of tension and stress on your shoulder and rotator cuffs, specifically being prone to injury. So make sure that you have your elbows slightly in toward the midline of the body. Then you will come down and you will press, right? The fourth thing, and this is personally what I do to maximize contraction on the chest, is that when you come up, instead of just pressing up, actually press up at a diagonal angle so that you're bringing the dumbbells together at the top of the movement. This is going to maximize the contraction that you get right in the middle of the chest, right? So instead of just coming up and pressing, press and bring the dumbbells together and then come back to the starting position. That is how you effectively do a flat dumbbell chest press.